The American said, yes, in and will be unfortunate. We are politician. We are Bamunipa. We are Ghanaian. For 2 months. So we have problem. And now we are buying a problem. Now backward.
Break the news.
Yen assassin the whole world. Unyakopon a boy in an ameba. Into Yaman, Unyakopon Cassende. My don't confuse him. Only as in Biaka. Sapa pepper down. Assassin. Over court. No judge anymore. It didn't have a friend. My lord. So where was it my job? Obi no over. Or where was him not say? I was so good them 30 years or so could them 20 years. Obi and Yasamka. To my lord in Akasa.
Now, court will be
inside. My team right inside, but not my man tell me by
the full on then I see.
Oh, Chama, you're getting it 20 years.
I didn't say
20 years.
And as a politician who did politics, you know, would be 2 1
already made it. Send it somehow. And yet, Chama, then Yaman, will be unfortunate. So, what Ben?
Your Casamuni, a BBM.
Send not making. Medical Canada. So, we are Ghanaian, we are business, we are politician, we are fine. For 2 months. Said the actor chairman, or chairman, you should bet matter. You say, Okotis will be your new baby. Catch and sorry, yes, and catch us sorry, Meso. Maybe I finish what the Baba so what?
Welcome to KMTV.
Unyamina, Chairman,
to break the news.
So good, 20 years. Go back to send medical. Unyame, any day. Ujinawa. My lord, my lord, my lord. My lord was here and say, hey, Unyame, to Unyame Casa. Obi any was a monka. Me lawyer, me yam, but me be Janet, me chairman, Nam Bejano. To judge Acasa, Minas and Biak.
When you're frozen,
Pascal Abrante. Pascal Abrante, 2020.
Owuntumi mining is not engaged in any illegal mining anywhere in Ghana as we speak.
First to break the news.
Further, the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources has, through the agency of the Forestry Commission, with the assistance of the military, made the effort to cordon off all 294 sites of forest reserves in the country and rid them of illegal mining as we speak. We will continue to work to ensure that this situation remains permanent. This government is determined to win the fight against galamsey, no matter the cost in
Owuntumi a wo ye dedu aka nyina no so wo bi dana sia alantramatin na so dana me na me son inside the party no now who is Owuntumi te Owuntumi me na me dey ba party na den 20 na me dey ba party or a businessman, small time businessman, but a trade no more and they so hwe pa e so hwe na dachi se obi bua mo nya ba bi sia me nya na bro me any problem bia but you too no pa because obi your papa kai da bi so ti ase e bi sa wo me nya o hwe na o person wo support you obi a there's no problem ubetimi adinachi. But say we open campaign against me.
But let's listen to one of the lawyers who was in court today, just to appreciate what he makes of this particular process.
We are around that because yes, I do appreciate that. Yes, there are situations where the veil of incorporation could be lifted and directors could be held responsible. It is not in all situations that those things are applicable. So I'm sure it's an area his lawyers would have to look at and see if it will open up some areas of appeal for him. But I'm a bit worried and a bit sad.
20 years for an offense that the minimum is 15, maximum 25. The judge, I think, might have listened to your plea, don't you believe?
Probably she did, probably she did not. Because I was of the view that the minimum sentence was okay. Because I made a point that getting Owuntumi out of the picture, that is incarcerating him, may affect a lot of things, especially his businesses, the number of people he employs and all that. So that was the appeal I was making to the court, that yes, the court has come to the conclusion and convicted Mr. Owuntumi for all the offenses. But in terms of the sentences, I mean, the court ought to consider his significance in society, especially the chain of businesses he owns. And I also made the point that Currently, we are struggling with a lot of youth employment. And if the court itself has established that Mr. Owuntumi is the directing minds of all his businesses, it means it's very crucial to his businesses. So getting him away from his businesses in giving him such long sentence may negatively impact on the businesses and the young people who get jobs through his businesses and all that. They'll come onto the streets as unemployed, adding to the huge numbers who are already on the streets with no employment. So that was the appeal I made to the court, that the court should consider this particular circumstance of Mr. Owuntumi and probably give him the barest minimum of sentence. That was what I did. I don't
argument that should be as a deterrent sentence to persons, especially the fight against illegal
considering the way
you see, I am not in any way encouraging anybody to go into illegal mining. And for me, the point I was making is that, yes, Mr. Owuntumi may have committed the offense, but it was the bigger picture I was looking at, because he was going to be sentenced anyway. So my mitigation was to reduce the sentence, that's all. It's not to put in a defense for whatever he might have done or not. Exactly.
What is your relationship with Owuntumi?
I thought he would have been given the barest minimum.
What is your relationship?
I don't know him from anywhere.
Owuntumi?
Probably we just share a name. I'm Bernard, he's Bernard. I have no relationship with Mr. Owuntumi. Maybe because he's my namesake. But I only felt that as a lawyer, these things happen. It's not because it's Mr. Owuntumi. There are times when you are in court and you feel like you need to probably intervene as a friend of the court. That is something we do out of ordinary practice. It is not because it was Mr. Owuntumi. We have done this several times where we believe that we need to add our voice in mitigation. Remember, it is not against the conviction. It was just to intervene with the number of years he was going to be given. So it was against the sentencing that we were trying to mitigate, that the court should give him the barest minimum. It was not against his conviction. So it is not as if I did that to probably encourage illegal mining. No, it was just for the courts to understand that Mr. Owuntumi is just not like you and myself. He owns a lot of businesses. So the court, I don't know if she considered that, but well, I'm sure his lawyers would advise him accordingly.
So that's it. 20 years. 20 years will be crack when we are there. I said, Nipa be a papa no home children or Amanoku.
Ghana for a umpire man, a big jail in 15 years. 15 years. I'm saying it on TV. Yeah. Na dofo mo mpaye man Owuntumi na dofo e mo mpaye man, because my own says all over the news.
What was it here?
I am seeing it. Say actually number 15 na better TV so say ajele Owuntumi 15 years to anyere no mo mpaye na otia owura bi na so owura na nyesi watia owura bi na so nipa na watia ne na so no oni nipa betena se bedi nkomo ama na nya nkwa enya freedom freedom ye found die a free die wonamu no watia na bone so na communication bi course wonachi na nyame amma na bra bomu a Ghana fo nyina will come out to see say Prophet Rojakokano Captain Smart shoes. I am seeing 15 and 15 ebinsu medasho. Captain said, Crow hima. So on some video now. Me can't date any time one. Asante ma Eddie. Me be can once him. I can't. The all bafu flow in asem. Ti me can say we are near shusha mamiska. Ti me me say na dofo tie me a. Yenyi politics in tonchen. Se na dofo tie me a. Otia bema bi na so na bema na di nkomode ni na si form eye 15 ene date yes empanifo
30th October
ene 30th di amfa 15 ko kan 30 ho eti de oya smart na maka asem do hase jabenya 15 abenya 30 abenya okabu monya say 45 Captain Bache into us.
I decree and declare.
Amen.
By fire, by thunder.
Amen.
By fire, by thunder.
Amen.
I decree and declare.
Amen.
Say, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia will win.
Amen.
Amen. He will win.
Amen.
Tomorrow's lesson.
Yeah.
It will be a certain Konkotunaba. Who born dog? Who born dog? Who born dog? Who born dog?
But let's talk about the processes of the trial itself. Would you say due process was followed?
I will reserve some for now.
Would you say the judge was fair and firm and just throughout the proceeding?
I wouldn't want to, with the circumstance I find myself now, I don't want to comment on some of the matters, but I believe that as a legal team, Officer Benedict Bosiako will come out with his tax endorsement to speak on some of the matters that have gone on throughout the trial.
And that response points directly or hints directly of an appeal. Is that what I'm sensing?
Oh, certainly. Once you are aggrieved or dissatisfied by the outcome of the decision of the courts, the onus lie on you to file an appeal at the appellate court. Now, from the High Court, you can only go to the Court of Appeal. And from the Court of Appeal, if you are still dissatisfied, the rules of courts and the laws of the Republic allows you to go up to the Supreme Court. So we will consult with our clients and take their proceedings and go through and look at the reasoning of the courts and take a position as to the next step that we take in furtherance of ensuring that the liberty of our clients, now a convict, is secured.
Day near Trabawie, Nadia Namie Payo, not chairman, which because swear or be in. I don't get it. LPP na Santa Regis in trouble. I'm telling you. They are in trouble, serious trouble. I'm telling you. Messi, chairman want to be that unfit for any position in New Patriotic Party. Adios, what chairman want to me? Chairman, with all due respect, Jimmy, what's the young Quatuabamon, the corporate national chairman? Chairman want to me. Tiasabi. And to soon will buy way ne. Woo to Mregu. Send obi a national chairman act. Obi a general secretary one kind. Naso no can sem nasa woo put ne chroma chifaswa. And to who person we chairman, who national chairman, who person be you. A position you are campaigning to go and occupy. Chairman want to me. A position want to me. Chairman want to me. I'm speaking to you this morning. Position I won't namo ya campaign. A person who call occupy. Nyamiya Duma. I think 19 September. Sa position no biti one na. Esemra who te Ashanti region. At Tiafaso. And to who pe chairman. Who pe national chairman want to me. Who pe national chairman. What's the meaning of that? What's the who pe national chairman? And no be the national chairman. Wano samra na wa fetch. So disrespect, disregard. What time I want to move so open national chairman? Baby, I will pass a walk on and no bit of what's up, Mrada, what Chiafaso. Yes, I'm not quoting yes or someone got to Niakoto, Niati people, Shelly Person care. Moving Nakot to Munko. What time I want to me? Ye real penny for the Mukraba say, Yatium, and Yachi, Yatum. Now what time I want to me, I sound fetch some Makos when you pay in. Who open national chairman? Now who's to my way? Shall we quote when the boo chama want to me? Who is going to respect?
Watching KMTV.
Obeko.
First to break the news.
Obeko.
Kachiro Momonte.
Obeko. Aji onum poison ni bi wu. Jonkuma de ni bi. Jo sakodi ni foforo no wu. Cause only Jonkuma na di poison no. Women organizers who MPP na ye aduane ni confirm na akoma won. A confirm no man ko to okwa ho. Me ka to say da kro me kire odi poison say aduane ne koi. Aduane etu ozafi. Hey, woman organizer na the coin. Me can't that one. Let anybody come and dare me. And the other no, police station, woman organizer, or a woman organizer. On the two us I feel the coin. Oh, I don't know. Obia DB. Yeah, no, be as a for federal kahon. No, so run it.
Thanks for
yeah, confirm about. Oh, really? Don't come to really, but don't come we.
Only me, yeah,
I'm an hour for.
Only me, yeah, dear, careful.
Oh, that's now.
Don't look at this hand. Don't look at this face. Don't let this face deceive you.
Owuntumi or
between more than
on am kwem the nice sequence or kwa no no oko Ading. Say, well, I see your call. Ah, GH1 boy, you know. Oh, call. Any
You are most welcome to KMTV. First to break the news. Thanks for watching KMTV. First to break the news.
KMTV, first to break.
You are most welcome to KMTV. First to break the news.
Regional and constituency executive. Sorry. Now, you call a middle belt authority, no? A just say 20% Umatia. I'm a chairman.
KMTV, first to break the news.
And then at the year, we are by this press conference asking you because you have decided to engage in a war of press conference, and we are giving you the same measure. Also by a press conference there, yesterday the press conference is out 20%, you know, and we're fighting.
Thanks for watching KMTV. First to break the news.
I am pa. Beyano. A press conference near why you see and shall say 20 no I am pa. Did you use your position as party chairman?
KMTV, first to break.
Answer this question because the subject matter is who is destroying the party.
You are most welcome to KMTV. First to break the news.
Congress 2014.
Bebreba me beye no wi asimu kasabre ne yare hodo obre dodo ne akwantuo emu ani je ne awerho ni nyina ba wiye ne aka me na me da we tie nsam no me ma fra me afichu enuan mo fra me abudin adofo no mo so bo ma bodini abusua ye ne obeye wi o ye be ma me so akro me last ya na me da we
Amboveje o.
Pacho what mase pa. Ene twam eno ano no. Eno ani ne o, eno ani ne. Tie dum no, otamfo mpo na wo mobro. Ohese ne emisi da ho na. Wa feri wotiri mu puto. Wontimi hwemani mu mprenu. Osisi wontrasi o. Se de opemi na maye de da we. Efru no wasem no woka no. Treyi tu asem asa. Dede bebrebe itu atwa. Mi je wiase ho ama wo.
KMTV, first to break.
Utiensam.
Ne sofu na atimi so
utiensam zara. Ma so na ni mikroma. Mo hu mi bie mu amakra mo. Obrefo ba ma wie ma pam de. Onyame pa ye be hie mu wodo. Na woni obi yaka.
Na hotra.
Na nyu wo yibo. Na what wo say.
First to break the news.
Na ye wo ya no wonim ni wo hu bi. Na wo sie yas na dwu wo yibo. Nani owuo no ka kire wo se emfonso amaye obi bia no obi amafomatia ne naso mesre ho bo ne fache onfa nchemi na nyame mfa nchemi de owu koro no obi aso awafom okwan bia so no ijai bibia mu che no mfa nchemi trimu nko mfa so ne so wa asama mo hu mi bia mu eno ane ne akoto asama ando yenkom mabiem mi jam wa ko ensiedo me ma mi ni won ho agoro me ne won papa mu ne tie west no
You are most welcome to KMTV.
Enyum no meti se ebo na ntie mu da o. Awoti abofo je me last time me da o.
Tie o ka se bi wa ha. O se madofo ne matamfo adi afra. Me ne woto nkwanta ya pai. No ani. Abusua ne kura ni ani abreko. Me ne mu dinkro. No ani. Ensema papa yi kanyina mu ba ku bia esese ba ku bia betie bia nka ado na de nyina gu fom se wodi pa wo twema nso pacho what ma se ensema papa yi kan entinka die bi enti Solomon so wuda ye sna woda because wuda bu abisua na menya nsa sna woda because woda ye je wuda ye mi wi ama mi be se ensemfo bi wo na be se wotie me classmate na ma yonkofo adwuma ye fo na abeduru hai o tia mu ye dede o su twa adwaadwo o ma mani dia etwa to se ebre na wie dro o be ma me so akro nkradie mu a mo de me kwa mo ntwimi nya mo ntwimi nya wonya me breo fa me nko
You are most welcome to KMTV.
First
to break the news.
Kusisi ya dile kwa asi. Wakanse bi wo nyina de akira. Edi nka wo gine wo wi ase bi. Enso obi sie yie na se, nyumi wo so so still da so no obi yak.
Kondo mi so also because ebi enyum kontie mu ye. Na me enyum yesa wutu ni se mintie ni.
Entina mo ofi se ewude no mu wa bisua se na woda. Eno ne ye hawo no because ye nsua. Onse me be maka kire on say bi asante wa bisua kosi say ye mpabo e hye ye ka asema kire obi ye duku ka asem foforo na nante mai fra no se de ntema na ahosuo tie bia wo de asema ye ka ne symbol se wom asa wo sa nsa wo toto bia wo de kire ye na no to don traditional knowledge na ne ka say nimdie bible ni wo mo de traditional knowledge na ebu man wo mo de ya bible de aye constitution na de govern no then time on no nipa nyini che mebo a no obi mi
yes dipa no kro bi o mutbi stress e wo me pa
if you say na na no nyumo mo to ye nyina e bia se dipa shebre na ye tie dwom tie ase ye tie dwom tie ase on se wata enyi abo sanfie be duonu ne e wo si nyame na me kan